Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to the first haul of 2026. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop. That's that.
Y'all, this haul is like 2 to 3 weeks behind. I was supposed to drop this at the beginning of January, but life be lifing, y'all, and I just couldn't do it. Make sure you check the description box for links. I will link whatever I can find because I have been purchasing things since December before Christmas. So I don't know what's still available. I don't know if it's still on sale, you know, because around Christmas time, they have all the good sales. Well, I don't know if they're good or not, but they have sales. So anyway, a lot of this was purchased beforehand. So oh, and your girl is now on LTK. If you don't know what LTK is, that is like to know. What it is, you would like to know what I have and where I got it from, mainly where I got it from. And you would click the link. In exchange, when you make the purchase, I will receive a small commission. Go ahead and give me a follow on my like to know it, which is at the boutique Baddie. All right, now back to this. In today's haul, I have pieces that I have purchased, y'all, from several different places. I mean, several brands. Edelman, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Urban Revivo, Akira, and then the more familiar places, Fashion Nova, Walmart, and Rainbow. So your girl have quite a bit of pieces, not too many. This video won't be too long, but I want to share with you what I did get. Up first are these super cute heels. These heels are from that brand, Edelman. Look at these. These are some snakeskin heels. I have been wanting a pair of snakeskin heels. I want a pair of snakeskin boots. I had some before. I had boots before. And if you watch my last video, I talked about dry rotting. Those boots dry rotted. I didn't even wear them much, but I have been having them for so long. So anyway, I found these and I love them because the heel is not that high. I think it's like a 3 or 3.5 inch heel. 4 inch is my cap. That's why I'm cutting it off. I can't do anything above 4 inch. I could barely do 4. So anyway, these are a nice chunky heel. So it's a little bit better. And then it has this cute little peep toe, but y'all, my toe does not even come to the front of this, but that's okay. It goes around the heel of the foot and then around the ankle. They're super cute on. I didn't even try them on for y'all, but you'll see them. Just make sure you're following me. So whenever I wear them, you will see them. Hopefully I can still link these. I did get them on sale. And baby, I snagged them when I saw them. Perfect, perfect, super cute. Next up is Rainbow. I only have one piece from Rainbow, just something real simple. It's just a simple black blazer. Quarter length sleeves. She's a tad bit long. She has functioning pockets on each side. She does contain stretch, and that's what I love. She is a size large, and she was only, tag is still attached, she was only $15.97. That is my type of price point. Baddie on a budget. I got a couple of accessories from Akira. First up, these boots. Y'all, these boots are really popular right now. Technically, they're not my boots. They're Chloe's boots, but we wear the same size. So whenever I feel like wearing them, I'm gonna wear them. I'm not sure if they are still available, but if they are, make sure you check the description box because I will have the links. And then y'all, next up, I found a junk hat. Do you know about a junk hat? I have been into these junk hats here lately. A junk hat, let me just show you a picture of a junk hat. They're mainly made with trucker style hats and you just freak them out like this. She is trucker style. And you see she's animal print. Y'all know I love animal print. If it is your first time here, I love animal print. So when I saw this on Akira's website, I said, oh, I have to have that. She fits over my locks. That's why I told y'all I love trucker style hats, because they fit over my locks. Okay, up next, Urban Revivo. Urban Revivo is a brand that I have been hearing about from all of the fashion girls that I follow. The sweater that I'm wearing comes from Urban Revivo, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with her. This sweater just caught my attention because I love a statement piece. This sweater makes a statement, girl, without you even having to say a word. And that's what I love. She is a size large. She contains so much stretch that I hate I bought, let me not say hate. I don't like that I bought a large. I don't know what I was thinking. And I did see that it contains spandex, but some of these companies, the pieces run a little bit small, and I have a little bit more cushion and fluff, and I just went ahead and ordered a large. At the time when I purchased this sweater is regular like $95, but she was on sale for $39.98. I couldn't pass that up. And she was available in all sizes back then. This was at the beginning of December. It was just a little bit looser than what I would like, but I'm gonna keep her. I'm not going through the hassle of sending her back. She has the slits right here, and she is just super cute. She's so cute, I thought to myself, let me see if that sweater is available in black. I don't have a favorite color, but black is just that timeless, classic, classy color. Like, it's just so clean, crisp, and you just can't go wrong with black. So she was available in black. She was available in medium in black. So guess what? Baby, I snatched her right on up, and I love the way the medium fits. When I say this sweater is thick, excellent quality, full of stretch. And look, I don't know if you can see it here, but she is shorter in the back. You see how the front hangs a little bit long, which is perfect. Perfect. Opens up. But yeah, she is super cute. I love this sweater. I mean, these sleeves, like, it just caught my eye. I love it. So these are the two pieces that I got from Urban Revivo. And since I'm showing you the two sweaters and I paired them with these leopard print pants, these leopard pants are from Fashion Nova. I love everything about them. They contain great stretch. I'm wearing a size large, and I'm wearing a size large because I checked the product details, but I also looked at the reviews, and several of the reviews said to size down. My size that I'm currently in is an extra large comfortably. Now, if it contains great stretch, I'm able to size down to a large. Or even better stretch, I can size down to a medium, just depending on the piece. But on Fashion Nova, if there are reviews available, I suggest you read every review until you find out everything you need to know about that piece before ordering a size. That's just my recommendation. They're more straight leg boot cut style that I'm wearing a pair of heels with because they are long and the heels are platform. They have a little extra height, but you see how they still fall? I'm 5'3" for reference, you know, so if you're a little bit taller, they may work for you. I don't know. I don't know what the inseam is. You have to read the product details. Next, let me tell you about this super cute mesh black top. Y'all, I love me a mesh top. Let me be more specific. I love a black mesh top. Y'all, this top here, honey, she is super cute. Now, she's a bit snug. She's a size large. I really needed an extra large, but they were sold out of extra large, and I felt like she contains spandex, so I can get a large. Which you see, I can fit the large. She's just a little bit tighter than what I like. This neck part, honey, it looks very small, but it's stretched, so you're able to get it on. She has the thumb cutouts, as you can see. The back is just a simple, clear mesh, but the front has the design. I also found this super cute olive green 2-piece set. She's a lounge set. You can do so many things with this lounge set. As you see, I paired the set with the boots from Akira. You could dress her up or down. It just depends on your style, where you're going, what's the occasion. This set comes in several colors: black, pink, red, blue, and it's excellent quality. She's not paper thin, but I mean, she's just not super thick either. I just say to make sure you have on your foundation underneath. She's a size large, excellent stretch. I love everything about this set. At the time I purchased her, she was only $16. That's it. That's all I got from Fashion Nova. Can you believe it? And last but never least, Walmart. These brands at Walmart, oh my gosh, like Walmart has come up. I've always been someone that has purchased clothing from Walmart. I don't discriminate. I go by the motto, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. So it doesn't matter where you get something from because it's all about the way you style it. I just want to be able to dress the looks down with wearing sneakers. Anywho, this first set right here, all three of these pieces that I'm showing you from Walmart are from the brand Scoop. This top is a size large. Y'all, the quality of this set. I was able to get this top for $16 because she was on sale, I guess. Oh no, I'm lying. The top was $20. The pants were $16. That's what it was. Look at this. Like, excellent stretch, great stretch. I love everything about this. And as you can see, I paired that top with these pants, these joggers. Super cute joggers. Y'all see the bottom of the joggers? The elastic at the bottom, even though that elastic did not grab around my ankle. She has pockets. These are functioning pockets. She also has pockets in the back. Y'all see that? The drawstring waist. And this is a functioning drawstring. So when you pull it, it will cinch. When I saw those pants, I was just stopping. I was just gonna get that. But then I end up seeing a pair of wide leg pants. Ooh, wide leg pants. Super cute. Look at these. Cargo style wide leg pants. Pants with elastic waist, drawstring, functioning drawstring. So when you pull her, it's going to cinch your waist because the stretch is so good. Do y'all see how these pants fit? Y'all, these pants are a size medium. That's why I just told you, depending on the quality, the amount of stretch, I can size down to a large or a medium. So in this case, I was able to size down to a medium. And now the sneakers. You see the sneakers I have on with the sets. They are these. These are ADIOS. First of all, they are super comfortable. Now, what made me get these ADIOS, the ADIOS went viral. They did. They went viral on TikTok. And they were comparing them to the ASICs, a brand that's just a little bit more expensive than Avia. You can find them in Academy or Foot Locker, like any of those shoe stores. But honey, the ADIOS, $25. Just like I told y'all, I'm into the junk hats. I'm into the junk sneakers. And the junk sneakers look like this. That's what I'm planning to do with these. But now, y'all see that? Look at the colorway. Y'all see? Baby, look at that. Genuine leather. Baby, these sneakers are cute. So when I saw these, I thought about this two-piece set. Y'all see? Y'all see where I'm going with this? Y'all see? Oh, honey, super cute. Super cute. And that's what I'm talking about. Looking put together without having to do all the extraness that I do. I don't know about you, but I'm talking about me. But girl, I'm gonna junk these out too. So that will do it for my haul, my collective haul of what's new in my closet. And girl, if you have made it here Thank you for kicking it with me today. Thank you for staying till the end. Y'all, this is a year that I want to continue to grow this channel. So make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to like it. Let me know what you would like to see in videos to come. Let's keep all comments respectful. And of course, I want you to tell a friend all about this channel. Turn on your notifications so you will not miss when I upload a video. I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.